As a professional manufacturer, Ensign Solar has been specialized in solar water heater more than 10 years. Ensign high-pressure solar water heater with 3 advantages, which make your life more intelligent and convenient. We use the outstanding quality vacuum tube with heat pipe, which makes fast heat transfer, quick heat absorption, and long-time warm keeping. Thicker stainless steel 304 2B food grade inner tank and high-intensity foam layer keep the water warm about 72 hours, which improve the warm preservation about 30%. So, you can use 3 days after getting sunshine 1 day. We use the T/P value to release the pressure of the inner tank to protect the inner tank. Optional spare parts, such as controller and electric heater, can intelligent control and heat and water backup, so that you could have bath even there was no sunshine. Hope you enjoy sunshine and enjoy life with Ensign Solar.